Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're playing a grammar game, 40 MCQs to see if you can pass this test. Think you're up for the challenge? Let's find out. 1. Which sentence is in the future tense? She will write a letter. Tips: future tense uses will before the verb. 2. Correct form of the verb, he. A book every day. Reads. Tips: present tense requires the base verb form for third person singular. 3. Choose the correct sentence. She can sing well. Tips: after can, the verb stays in base form. 4. Which sentence uses the correct punctuation? I love pizza, it's my favorite food. Tips: use a semicolon to separate independent clauses. 5. Which sentence contains a conditional? If I were you, I would study harder. Tips: if is often used in conditional sentences. 6. Correct article. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Un. Tips: use in before vowel sounds. 7. Which sentence uses its correctly? The dog chased its tail. Tips: its is a possessive pronoun. 8. Choose the correct sentence. The books are on the table. Tips: plural subjects need plural verbs. 9. Select the correct sentence. She is smarter than me. Tips: use smarter for comparing two things. 10. Which sentence uses a passive voice? The book was read by her. Tips: in passive voice, the object becomes the subject. 11. Which sentence is correct? I have visited the museum. Tips: present perfect uses have plus past participle. 12. Correct comparative adjective, this book is. Then that one. More interesting. Tips: use more for comparatives with multi-syllable adjectives. 13. Complete the following sentence. She, to the store every Saturday. Goes. Tips: she needs a third person singular verb. 14. Which sentence is correct? I saw him yesterday. Tips: saw is the past tense of see. 15th. Which sentence is correct? He has better skills. Tips: don't use more before comparatives like better. 16. Which sentence is correct? She can sing well. Tips: use sing after can. 17. Which sentence is correct? He doesn't like coffee. Tips: use doesn't with base verb. 18. Which sentence is correct? She is a student, but she is also a teacher. Tips: use a before singular countable nouns. 19th. Correct verb form: they. At the party when I arrived. Were dancing. Tips: use past continuous for actions in progress in the past. 20. Which sentence is correct? I was happy yesterday. Tips: use was for past tense with singular subjects. 21. Correct conjunction: I want to go to the party. I have too much work. But. Tips: use but for contrast. 22. Which sentence is correct? She runs faster than him. Tips: runs is for habitual actions. 23. Correct preposition: she is interested. Learning new languages. In. Tips: use in after interested. 24. Which sentence is correct? They are going to school on foot. Tips: use on foot for walking. 25. Which sentence is correct? She is taller than me. Tips: taller is the comparative form, no more. 26. She. To the library every week. Goes. Tips: present simple for regular habits, she takes a singular verb. 27. I have seen such a beautiful sunset. Never. Tips: never in present perfect indicates no experience. 28. They were at the concert last night. Really enjoyed. Tips: really emphasizes the past participle. 29. The teacher asked to close the door. Him. Tips: use him after asked. 30. He is one of the students in the class. Smartest. Tips: smartest is used for comparing more than two. 31. You like some tea? Would. Tips: Would is polite for offers. 32. She is not as tall. Her brother. As. Tips: Use as for equal comparisons. 33. The cake tasted good. Very. Tips: Use very to modify an adjective. 34. We should. The instructions carefully. 'Read. Tips: Use base form after modal verbs. 35. To the gym if I have time tomorrow. 'Will go. Tips: Will expresses future intentions. 36. If it rains, we stay at home. 'Will. Tips: Use will in conditional sentences type 1. 37. She been waiting for an hour when I arrived. 'Had. Tips: Past perfect continuous for actions ongoing before another past action. 38. The cat was hiding the bed. 'Under. Tips: Under means below a surface. 39. I prefer coffee. Tea. 2. Tips: Used to when comparing with prefer. 40. This is the best book I have ever read. 'That. Tips: Use that in superlative clauses. How did you do? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more fun grammar games. Keep improving, and I'll see you next time.